Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your One4all gift card on Amazon. This is a great way to make the most of your gift card balance when shopping online for anything you need. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can start shopping. Now navigate to the top search bar and click on it. Here, type in the product you're looking for and press enter. This will bring up a list of available items that match your search. Take your time browsing through the product list until you find exactly what you want, then click on that product to open its details page. On the product page, you'll see various options to customize your purchase. Select your preferred color and any other options like size that are available for the item. Once you've made your selections, click Buy Now in the right panel. This will take you directly to the checkout process, skipping the cart entirely. Next, you'll need to select your delivery address. Amazon will show you the addresses you've used before, so choose the one where you'd like your item delivered. After confirming your address, it's time to set up your payment method. Navigate to the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll want to click on Add a credit or debit card. This is where you'll enter your One4all gift card details. In the fields provided, type the One4all card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues during checkout. Once you've entered all the details, click Add Your Card. Your One4all gift card will now be added to your Amazon account as a payment option. Amazon will take a moment to verify the card information, so just wait for the page to update. Now select the One4all card as your payment method for this purchase. Amazon will show you the order summary with all your details, including the product, delivery address, and payment method. Review everything to make sure it's correct. Finally, click Place Your Order to complete your purchase. Amazon will process the payment using your One4all gift card, and you'll see a confirmation page once the order goes through successfully. And that's it. You've successfully used your One4all gift card to make a purchase on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.